On this episode, we're going to be talking about custom long-range shooting bag, one brought in to be repaired and another one to be manufactured. Hey, welcome to Beaver Mountain Works. On this episode, as we said, we're going to be talking about a long-range shooting bag. Our customer brought one in. It was missing some handles, broken straps, didn't have a shoulder unit. Needed all that stuff replaced. This bag's probably around 50, 60 years old, he said. It was quite old. It was built in South Africa. He believes in Kenya originally. So we made some custom handles for it and put on a new tab here for tying it down, as well as with new buckle system with a roller buckle on there. It makes it easier to go. And also a shoulder, just quick disconnect shoulder unit. So we can quickly take it off here if we need to when he gets to the range and he wants to use it. And the ammo he uses today doesn't fit in there. Doesn't fit the way he wants it. So he said, hey, do you think maybe you can make me a custom one? Like this in design, but a little few extra perks on it and fits my ammo. And we said, sure, we're always up to a challenge. So that's exactly what we've done.
Now, before you showed a new bag, what were you supposed to say?
Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe. I always forget that. I'm so excited about our products. I forget to ask you guys, could you please subscribe? Hit that bell. Get our numbers up there. We're trying to get up to over to 1,000. Haven't got 1,000 subscribers yet, but it'd sure be great if we could. So this is the bag that we ended up coming up with for this gentleman. He's on the Canadian shooting team for long range shooting, and we custom made it up for him. A little longer handles than that because it is a bigger bag. Also, the reason being behind that is when you open the bag up and you want to lay the bag out so you can use it, when you're flipping these back, it makes the handles go back further. So that way it sits not on the handles, but like it did on the other bag there. And we also changed this around on the other bag. It was to where it was dipping down when it was opened up. Now this one here, we make it to where it dips up. And that way you can put all the stuff in there. His scorecard can go in here. It's kind of hard to see there, but it's got a nice clear window here for him to set it in. And then his ammunition can sit in here. You can sit up like that, or you can sit like this sideways.
Don't think we see that.
Oh.
It's dark.
Is it?
It's a black hole.
Is that a little easier?
Yeah.
Okay. A little dark in here. Also fits like that. And it also fits like that. So you can put a couple on there. And you can see that it closes up like this, down. They come together nice and tight. Drops down on top of it. Roller type buckle on here so it's easier to go on and off. Easy carry handles. All handmade. A nice shoulder rig unit with non-slip underneath of suede. So it sits on the shoulder well. And on the bottom down here, it's got feet. These are custom made by us. So, if you have a custom product, ideas, dreams, you dream it, we make it. Give us a shout here at Beaver Mountain Works.
And remember to subscribe.
Oh yes, and remember to subscribe. I'm sure glad I have that beautiful angel telling me these things out in the universe. Y'all take care now.